Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove spray paint from your car. If somebody vandalized your car or you spray painted accidentally something, we'll show you how to do it. Okay, there is always some risk involved with it to damage your paint, but we'll show you what we do, and so far we haven't had any problems. You know, guys, we got that Beamer from a car auction, videos coming soon, and we'll explain where we got it from. So, we vandalized our own hood. This one came, okay, from the Mercedes right here, remember the one that we rebuilt? Okay, so, now we'll show you, if somebody spray painted your car, how to fix that. Not very complicated method, but you have to be quick, especially with the first part, because if you take too slow, you might damage your clear coat. So usually we get a microfiber towel, we get some acetone. Okay, right here, you heard it right, that's how we do it. There might be another way, but we'll just show you. Even though you said goodbye to your paint job, there is still a chance to save it. So why not to try that? Okay, you can see the acetone will start eating the paint eventually. Okay, you can see it just takes a little bit of rubbing. It might not have a really high gloss after that, but we will buff it, clean it, and show you how everything will be fixed again. Okay, we will keep doing that for the rest and come back in a second. Okay, so far you can see what it looks like. Not bad at all, right? But you can see that the finish is a little bit matte looking, so we'll have to polish it. You might need to use a rubbing compounded machine polish. We will try to go ahead and just use a polish compound and see if that will work. So we'll be using Glossworks by Chemical, guys. This we like it quite a bit. That wax works really good, and we're going to apply a thin amount, spread it with a microfiber towel or a buffer if it's a big area, and we'll buff it really good. It's important to get it in the clear coat. Okay, and let's see if it's going to bring that shine out of it. You can see it started looking pretty good. Still a little bit greasy from the wax. Okay, let's go ahead, pull the tape now, guys, and I'm going to show you under an angle, okay, what it looks like. So this is it, guys. This is the end result. So you can see we vandalized our hood and we fixed it. So hopefully it will be helpful to some of you guys, and don't stress out, most of the things like that are fixable. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe, many more videos to come. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you guys next time.